What's up everyone, it's Hailstorm. Today we got a package, so I'm excited to open it up and show everyone what it is. So Gfuel had its Bogo over the weekend, so I got one more tub of Shiny Splash. And then I got one tub of Pink Drip. I'm super excited to try it, and we'll try it on this video. We also got some packets. I got Bahama Mama, Battle Juice, and Strawberry Shortcake. Stay tuned, let's mix it. Alright, let's give it a try. It's alright. It's not like top 5, but it's still a really good flavor. I kind of get like Skittles taste out of it, but it's still pretty good. So yeah, that's my review of it. I do have 3 other flavors that we're going to try, but I will do that on TikTok. So yeah, stay tuned and Respawn Recruits this month. More videos to come.